Today we are going to discuss important of data analytics, important topic of data analytics. In the business world, now current trend, data analytics is a main and important topic of decision making process. Data for in our program Excel and Power Excel, Microsoft Power BI, we use for data analytics tool as a tool of data analytics. We'll first and foremost we will understand what is the data analytics. The data analytics is a process of collecting, transforming, and organizing data to draw meaningful conclusion and make predictions and drive informed decision making. Data, we have a the lot of information that what in to make decision making process we need to segregate it, we want to categorize, and we want to make presentation, visualization presentation, we want to make it for meaningful way. The process of data, we can make it mainly data collection, and then data we can do data cleaning. The cleaning process is removing error and inconsistencies. And data analysis, the tool applying statistical and computational techniques we are applying to analysis stage. And visualization is stage, we used to do some graphical and bar chart, table, and all we are used for visualization stage. I will see that what are the other data and many we can see that many data analytics tool. The common data analytics tool basically we are using in the current one, Microsoft Excel, Python, R, W, Microsoft Power BI, Apache Spark, SAS, Kinme, Jupyter Notebook. Those tools are we are using in the business world. In our context, we are going to discuss Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI. Data analysis tool pack. First, we need we will see how to install the analysis tool pack. You want to go to first file, then select option, add in analysis tool pack. Manage Excel add-in and go click on tool pack. Click on the tool pack and it will appear on the ribbon. Let's do it first. In my case, I have already added this analysis tool pack, and this is appear under the data. It's a data under the data tab, the data analysis. Let's do how. Let's see how how I add. First, you go to file, and then go to option. Then here you can appear general formulas, data, proofing, all those things. And then down you can see adds in. Select that adds in, click that. Then right hand side you can see active applications and inactive applications. Following those are inactive applications. You are in your case that analytics tool pack, analysis tool pack that will be appear in the inactive mode. First, what you want to do, just click that inactive one that will comes up and go to Excel add-ins, and then go and click OK. And then once you did this process, you can go to data and the data ribbon. Then you can see that analysis, data analysis. Let's see what are the things included in data analysis tool. There are many statistical component are there. Correlations, moving average, sampling. Those are we can do this using this analysis tool pack. add in. Here we are going to add developer toolpath. When you see the ribbon, Excel ribbon, you can see file, insert, page, layout, formulas, data, review, automate, developer. This tool, under this developer, there are many tools you can see. This is very important, these tools. Let's see how we can add it. First, we want to go to file and then select option and then go to customize ribbon. When you see go to customize ribbon, the left hand side you can see the many ribbons. There are lot of ribbons. The right hand side you can see selected ribbon. In the selected ribbon, I already selected this developer role, and then what you do, we want to select it tick mark. You want to put a tick mark and put then OK. Once insert OK, that developer option that will be appear in your screen in the ribbon.